What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never, and welcome back to another market update. If you enjoy this style of content, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. As always, none of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Okay, so I just want to start out by showing you guys the crypto market. The first thing you guys will notice about the crypto market right now is Bitcoin dominance. It is down to 59.2%. If you come down here, you can see that Bitcoin's at 117,000 and Ethereum's at 4,173. And this is extremely important for Ethereum. If you guys have been watching any of my content in the past, I've been telling you guys that that 4,100 range is a very important level. That 4,100 range is the cycle high. And you can see that Ethereum has broken above the cycle high. Now, I will say, I would love to see this candle actually close above this level, though. It's not going to be the best look if this candle gets sold off and it's just a wick above it. It'll still be better than nothing, but we would love to see a very strong close. But this is exactly what we have been wanting to see for Ethereum for a long time. This, in theory, should be very bullish for altcoins, meme coins, and just the Ethereum ecosystem in general. And as a lot of you guys know, I primarily cover Ethereum-based projects on my channel, or base projects. For example, projects like Mr. Miggles. And you can see that projects like Mr. Miggles have had very strong moves from these lows. Again, this is the kind of stuff that we love to see. Very bullish for Ethereum. If we can confirm a close above this, then the next major level is the all-time high. And according to TradingView, Ethereum's all-time high is 4,867. Obviously, once Ethereum truly breaks all-time highs, that's when the real fun will start. But getting back above the cycle high is huge. If we come over here and we look at Ethereum, Ethereum is very interesting right now. So we initially had a close above the 21-day moving average again. This is the level that I was telling you guys to watch for the last week or so. However, the very next candle closed right beneath the 21-day. And now this current candle has broken above it again, but it's starting to get sold off. So you'll notice though that Bitcoin has not gotten back above this previous high. But again, you look at Ethereum and Ethereum has gotten back above this previous high. So this truly could be when Ethereum starts to outperform Bitcoin. If you come over to Bitcoin dominance, we have officially put in a lower low. This is awesome to see. If you guys have been watching my previous content, I've had Bitcoin drawn in this bear flag. And I even inverted the chart for you guys and I showed you how it was basically in a cup and handle pattern. And we had a very strong move and we were about to retest the 21-day and the 200-day. And you can see that this is breaking out perfectly right now. If this were to hit the measure move is down here at around 57%. That would be a very nice drop for Bitcoin dominance. And obviously, the lower the Bitcoin dominance goes, the better it is for altcoins. So in general, the market is looking so much better right now. This should be awesome for a lot of our meme coins. I also just want to come over here and show you like base meme coins ranked. So if you look at the base ecosystem, you can just see a lot of very nice moves over the last day. Up 9.5%, 11.5%, 11.3%, 30%, 35%, 15%, 15%. Base is looking great. If you just come over to CoinMarketCap and you look at meme coins in general, a lot of meme coins are still doing very well. Dogecoin's up 5, SHIB's up 5, PEPE's up almost 10. So we're still seeing a lot of nice moves around the market. Now, what's also pretty cool to see is if you come over to Watch Your Guru, you can see that Eric Trump is actually starting to talk again. He says 15 hours ago, it puts a smile on my face to see ETH shorts get smoked today. And he got destroyed in the media for telling everyone that it was a good time to buy Ethereum around 2,700. I'm telling you, it was not easy to continue supporting Ethereum when Ethereum dropped down to $1,380. A lot of people out there thought that Ethereum was dead. But if you continued to watch what was going on in the background and you saw all of the major players just continuously loading up on Ethereum, then you knew what was coming. Smart money was not buying Ethereum for no reason. But honestly, that's about it for the update today. There isn't a whole lot to go over specifically other than Ethereum. Just understand that Ethereum looks significantly better right now. Again, we would love to see Ethereum actually close above the cycle high. And if this candle were to close right now, then it would do just that. But in general, this should be very good for a lot of the altcoins that we trade on this channel. But if you guys are interested in getting into some of those projects super early, then I always recommend taking a look at my Discord as well. At the current moment, I have 3 different tiers, but a lot of these projects you could have made massive multipliers on. Some of them you could have turned $1,000 into over $200,000. So if this is the kind of community that you'd like to be a part of, you can find the link right here on my YouTube homepage. I'd love to see you guys in here with us. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments how you guys are feeling about the market. If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.